The use of autonomous robots in the military is becoming more and more prevalent as technology rapidly advances. It's only a matter of time before robots take over the world, right? Well, it looks like that day may be a little bit closer than we thought. Welcome back to another episode of High Technology. Join the club as we unravel high-end technologies on the planet by subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos in the future. In this video, let's unpack how robot dogs are taking over the technology in the military. Military robot dogs have been in the military for quite a while, but more and more new robot dogs are being added to bases. Robot dogs in the latest prototypes from Ghost Robotics and Immersive Wisdom feature several cameras, sensors, and the capacity to traverse uneven terrain. I'd like to present to you the Ghost Dog, a semi-autonomous four-legged robot built to reduce the danger that humans face. Although they may resemble something out of Black Mirror, these non-furry animals are experts at perimeter security, remote inspection, and patrolling. These robotic canines may soon become your neighborhood's best friend. The Air Force started putting these robotic ghost dogs to the test in 2021 alongside the Security Forces airmen and discovered that they might just be the future of Air Force installation security. Sincerely, a dog that doesn't bark or shed but nonetheless offers excellent security? You can definitely sign me up. It's actually quite fascinating how the Air Force became interested in robotic dogs. The AFWERX, a new initiative launched in 2017 by the Secretary of the Air Force, aims to promote an innovative culture throughout the military. Through collaborations with entrepreneurs in the private sector and the business community, the Air Force started to create practical answers to the problems they faced. The result was the creation of Ghost Dog. It is a creation of the Ghost Robotics business, which set out to make something more compact and agile than anything we had before seen. This robot is actually a force multiplier that may advance the mission of the Air Force by offering more protection, improved communication, and a lot of other crucial tasks. If there is anything you can take away from all of that, it is the Air Force is truly attempting to innovate and to bring all of the incredible ideas from our pilots fighting all over the world to the combined effort. The Air Force is interested in anything that makes the work more successful and efficient, whether it is technological advancements, safety, security, or really anything else. This incredible piece of gear will strengthen the Air Force's arsenal. This robot has the ability to accept any attachments that the user desires. You can include communication systems to it if you work in security forces. You can give it an arm if you work in explosive ordnance disposal. And then it might become the next generation detection robot. You can also equip it with CBRNE, chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear defense sensors if you work in emergency management so that it can test for chemicals. It will be very intriguing to see how the Air Force can employ the Ghost Dog for more military purposes because it has countless potential applications. I don't know if you personally own dogs, but I'm sure owning this item will be a little bit different from that. It's absolutely entertaining and simple to manage. It doesn't bark, but because it's so heavy, it could hurt if it falls on you. The sensors on this device are quite astounding. On a single charge, these robot canines can patrol for about 7.5 miles, and speaking of charging, the answer is exactly what you thought it would be. The idea is to get these robots back to their wireless charging dog houses as soon as possible to make things go as smoothly as quickly as possible. In addition, these dogs come pre-programmed with some seriously sick dance movements. If you're wondering how this device is managed, just imagine it as an Xbox controller. The signals from this gadget are transmitted over Wi-Fi to the sensors in the Ghost Dog. Not all that different from your standard Android or iPhone, huh? The pace of newer robot models will be steadily rising. Although this type can move at roughly 3.5 feet per second, this robot dog has a neat feature where it can still function if it flips over. When the operator notices that it has been inverted, they can push a button to cause it to immediately flip back over to become right side up. The Ghost Dog's mobility is another outstanding quality. It is excellent for air-based perimeter security because it can turn completely around, high step across marshes, and run lines down a perimeter. Last but not the least, this dog can easily go up and descend stairs. The Q-UGV is yet another robot dog on the list. The Q-UGV has several important characteristics, including its weight, which is roughly 45.4 kilograms. The Q-UGV can also be quickly assembled and disassembled, has a top speed of 3 meters per second, can go 12.6 kilometers, and has a maximum power runtime of 3 hours. The Q-UGV is exceptional since it can send data to the security forces quadrant. concern. The military robot dog is a great surveillance tool since it can gather all the info it is picking up from a vast distance. The quadrupedal robot from Ghost Robotics has also been unveiled, and it comes with a customized gun. Even while they are not yet in use on military sites, the conversation surrounding them is becoming more popular, especially as the concept of fully automated robots replacing difficult occupations develops. They have been added to numerous locations with the intention of conducting military base entrance security and protecting members. These autonomous ground vehicles are controlled remotely from bases by operators, but future plans call for fully autonomous, pre-programmed robot dogs. Personnel can profit from a military robot dog by remaining safe. Military personnel will be able to control them remotely by using the Q-UGV. Robotic dogs will also give the military abilities that have never been employed before. The Q-UGV offers a fresh and enhanced way to monitor incoming threats, making it ideal for military installation security. Ghost Robotics intends to use robot dogs to patrol the border in addition to assisting in the protection of military outposts. Given their advanced capabilities, it is no surprise that the military robot dog costs a hefty amount. The Q-UGV can cost up to $150,000. Ghost Robotics dogs come equipped with specialized sensors and other add-ons that increase the price. Ideally, if Ghost Robotics wants to implement the Q-UGV among multiple bases, they'll need to bring the cost down to that of Boston Dynamics. Assuming they don't take over the world anytime soon, they could be quite the asset to our Air Force. Autonomous robots' time has come, and so far their use has been beneficial. Special protection is permitted, and it gives the military previously unheard of powers. If all goes well, military members can anticipate soon seeing military robot dogs on active bases. The military robot dog is just the start of automation in the military. Are you excited to see what the future holds with the military having robotic allies? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can always get to watch more incredible videos like this. This has been High Technology, serving you the best and cutting edge contents on the highest form of technology available on the